3 steps to become visible outside your organization. A lot of people in mid career realize that they've spent their entire life, all their time and energy inside the 4 walls of the organization that they've worked for years. And nobody knows them outside. At some point in their career, this fact comes to bite them in the face. When something unfortunate happens, when there's a redundancy or they are let go, or when they are looking for better career opportunities, when they are looking for a salary upgrade or even a voluntary career transition. So wherever you stand currently, I strongly suggest you to start creating your brand in the wider marketplace. 3 simple things that you can do. Number 1, take your reputation consciously in your own hands. Whether you realize it or not, your reputation is there. Yes, in that wider market. But right now it is being controlled by others. And it is in a way that they want it to be. If you want to have a better control on it, you'll have to take it in your hands. It's as simple as that. So for creating the reputation that you want to create for yourself, think about who would you love to be known as? Who would you love to be? What is it that you would be doing? And accordingly, create a frame, create an image. And all that you have to do is to start living in alignment with that. Now, I find it really cool because there cannot be a gap between what you are projecting in real life and in your real life. If there's a gap, then people will see it. So somehow, the image that you are creating in your virtual world, that has to align with your real world, which means that you will have to fill in the gaps via learning, via adding value, or whatever it takes. The second step that you can take is to start sharing your thoughts. Give people a glimpse into your insights, your experiences, your learnings, your prejudices. Project yourself as a thought leader in the area that you would love to be an authority on. And you can leverage any medium for it. If you're good with camera, create videos. If you're good at writing, write down short posts, long posts, whatever your heart feels like. Leverage poetry if that's you, or even create pictures if you are good at visuals, at creating visuals, or even at painting, drawing. You can leverage any medium of your choice. Third step, create physical grounds where you can be seen and heard. Become super active in your community, in that part of the world that you are, obviously outside the organization. Organize catch-ups, enroll people, like-minded people in the journey, add value to them, listen to them, and these people will become your tribe, those people who will become your bigger world outside your organization. If you like these tips, click like, subscribe, and share it with those who would benefit from it. And if you want further tips on how to become visible, comment ebook and I will share my personal ebook which details 21 ways to become visible.